2006 GMC Envoy XL. Customer says that it dies once it runs for about 40 minutes or so. And so I found a bunch of codes. Codes P0689 is the one that you guys are gonna follow. We come to the ignition relay. We check on one leg here and we have power. And then if we check over here, we have power. So this is the signal to the ECM. The ECM is supposed to ground that relay. So once we have power here, we're pretty much putting straight power to the other leg over there. We come to the ECM connector 1 circuit 10 or pin 10 and we check with the test light. There's no power coming out of the fuse block. So that tells me the fuse block is internally open and that's causing the crank no start. So yeah.